need to do is, straight away when I look at this function, this is something that I myself know. Okay, I know that my dy dx highest is 8 minus 4, that is, highest is, lowest is 8 minus 4, that is 4. Highest is 8 plus 4 because sin negative, so it's 12. Got it? Can or not? So that is something that I know. So before I sketch the graph, I know it is. So when I sketch the graph, I key into the calculator. I key in domain, x minimum 0, x maximum 8. Okay, then I do a zoom fit. Then I find the coordinates of the highest and the lowest, coordinate of the maximum and minimum point. Okay, so I got a graph. So I start to draw the graph. Okay. So if you want to start your graph at 0, do so. So it will be 4, 8, 12. That's how I do. Right? So you know that the graph go like that. Lowest, then go highest, then go, this is one cycle. Then after that, you go down again. Uh-oh. You see, I cannot go slow. So after that, you go another cycle. Correct? So you go here. So it end at 8, 0, 8, 8, 8. It start with 0, 8. Okay, so this point, the coordinate is 1, 4. This point, 3, 2, 3, 12. So it go in cycle, correct? So the inflection point all are here. So you see when you talk about trigo, there is a specific. And this one is plus 2. So it's 5, 4. Ugh. 5, 4. And here is 7. Is it 7? 7, 12. Correct? Okay. So you got that. So this is your dy over dx. Okay. And this is your x. So you get 2 marks. Okay. Then for part B, they say find the range of x where dy dx. Okay. So now my y1 is dy dx. Okay. So I'm going to key into my y2 as 6. Please do so. Okay, then I put the graph. So I will have, this is my graph of my y1. Okay, my graph of my y2, here is 8, so it will be 6 here. Am I right? So that means I want my dy dx to be more than 6. So I have to get all these intersection points. So that means I'm talking about this part. From here to here. Because my dy dx graph is above the y equal to 6 graph. Okay, so you have to find this intersection point and this, okay. Apa ini? Never mind, I don't want to draw it here. I draw it on A. Okay. So look, your y equal to 6 is here. Find the range of x. Here, the range doesn't mean the y coordinates. The range means the limit, the interval. So here is your y equal to 6. Let me slowly, I draw slowly. This is y equal to 6, right? So you are supposed to find the coordinate of this point and this point. And this point and until 8. 8 is still more than 6, correct? So that means you will have x between the two value. I don't know what is it, you please find. And x is greater than certain value, then less than 8. Because this is the last point, 8. Are you okay? More. That means the dy dx graph must be above y2. This one, the graph is in black. This one, the graph is in red. The black must be above the red so that the black must be above the red so that to show that the black is greater than the red. Hello? Get me? So that is, this one definitely you have to use graphical method. If you don't want to use graphical method, you can solve by trigo, but you are going to take a long time. Okay. May I know what is the left-hand side value? 1/3. Sure? Exactly. You can get exactly 0.333, is it? You get? Yeah, 1/3. But if in decimal, you get 0.333. Okay, then the upper. Hello, are you all doing? Yes. Then how about this point? Can you give me? You find intersection, please. 1 and 2/3.
The first point is.
Oh, here got another one also.
That's the 1/3.
Oh, that is a 1/3. So that means the first part is from 0 to 1/3. So the second part, I want the second part. 1.66. So 1.66. So you got 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4 point. 1.66. Then the third point. Huh? Then the fourth point. The third point, what is the coordinate of intersection of the fourth point? 4.33. Okay, how about the fifth one? 5.66. So these are the answer. You get what I mean? Graphical method. Less than you just choose which. Okay, so you have to look at the graph and you find the intersection point and then you get the answer. This one we have done it in our SAT2. It's just with different function, so please remember.
Is it wrong?
Yes.
But for the first point, x is less than 1/3.
Cannot, because my limit is from 0 to 8. So you have to put 0 to 1/3. Because the domain is from 0 to 8. You cannot go beyond that. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, there are 3 range. One, two, three. Yeah. No. 4 points are 3 range. This part, and this part. Cannot. Cannot. You cannot combine because from here to here it is less. So you have to separate. How can you combine? How can you say from here to here? No.
What is the meaning of the
Whether you learn integration, you don't know what is. Okay. You're really no. Okay. I'm going to explain part C. It's a revision. Okay. Remember? Area bounded by the rate of change graph is the total amount of the function, correct? Am I right? So if I got this, this is my rate of change graph. This is my dy dx. So I want the total amount from 2 to 6.5 is somewhere here, I don't know. So I have to find this area. That's it. So what should I do? I have to integrate from 2 to 6.5 dy over dx. Correct? So I have to write the expression 2 to 6.5, 8 minus 4 sin pi by 2x dx. If I say by calculus, then you have to integrate. If I didn't say by calculus, you can just use your calculator and get the answer. You forgot this concept. You're going to fail your test. You forgot this concept, you're going to fail your test. It's just that I change it to trigo function only. So this is by calculus. So after you sub in already, you don't go and do the calculation of the substituting part. So you straight away want to get this answer, you do FNINT. Are you clear? That means you do this part. Then put the answer here. That's it. Joshua, you need to pick. You need to pick. You need.